Let me tell you something. You know what career? And the way they really look for it.
Mhm.
Being it play a significant.
How so?
Uh, where my reading Badda Badda is concerned.
Mhm.
Badda Badda, yeah, it would have bust, but the controversy will build up with it, help it more.
Yeah.
Because when they get Beenie a cut, remember Beenie now Vice King, so
Yeah.
he have a song which is Fireburn, and more advice it for something fresh. Not that they where you know what I mean? Him hear it because Father Paul, like I said, 8 of them they put out.
Yes.
So he play as Father Paul they start play 8 uh silo.
Mhm.
You get me? So them hear it, him link me and say, yo, me have a rhythm on that. Want a cut. I say,
Mhm.
no problem. Cause you know what I would go for water, so me know him for a long time.
Okay, so you know you even if you didn't have a serious relationship with Beenie Man, you knew Beenie Man from back then.
Yeah, him know me too.
Yeah.
But him know me more off of yeah, my brother. So when I said, oh, so yeah, tall man brother.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And he know of my father, so I said, Bobby boy. You
Mhm.
get me? So um him find himself already when him come link me. And him say, yo, he want a cut. Give me the tape and me go run it off and him pick it up. And when him pick it up, him do that with the dust one vice volume and with that listen. But you have a big set in red van.
Yeah.
Tell him, so, oh, I listen in van. What we gonna do? We're gonna play it. Then we play that. Him get another song idea from it. You know, him there then a boots up King. Him I say, King. Because as much as him and King now deal right now, Vice King.
Yeah.
There's no vindictive feelings really. It's more like rival. Bounty are your artist. And me a shocking vibes artist.
Mhm.
But if he's still seeking, you know, kind of hear him rival said it.
Yeah.
So he may up there and I say, King, that you there. And them are gonna be the thing around here. Pay them mind, but King not pay that no mind. King dead and not, laugh and so in time him vice better learn and it drop now and King here same ready man. Beanie the pan ready man. I say, Beanie the vice in it. And I say, no, you're reading this and that play because them time it to rotate regular pan read.
Yeah.
I say, no, you're reading this. I say, some like my reading, yes. But you know fully no cause King has have we do like the dancer party must have we do the thing.
Yeah.
If I the one drop, him gonna pick up quicker. You know what I mean?
Mhm.
But it's like them end up a play now and I say, King, are you already in this, you know? At this so and so vice pan, P and Ray and he say, he must say, oh, and Beenie Man get a cut and then tell him Paul was from this up
Mhm.
until he reach a stage where them crash it out, Beenie come vice we and then we over the say and shocking right. But
Yeah.
if I never did that, the controversy to help push it more, it wouldn't have. I remember saying me will come get an next hit from our cutting. But so bad, wala.
Crazy. So he did end up coming back to Jammys and voicing after he voiced that Shock Vibes.
Yeah. So
He
kind
did a
of,
better version.
yeah, kind of smooth out thing now, because you know, them kind of know bunting around the Jammys. But because of the rivalry used to go on,
Mhm.
it caused a little vibe where Patrick just say, you can't vice the Jammys.
Yeah.
Remember I'm saying to Patrick, so you
Yes.
must just work with that.
Mhm.
You understand? So things limited now. So when Patrick said go on, then it just give me the leeway to say, all right, we can go back over, all right, no problem. Look, you understand?
Mhm.
So that song there, then him help spirit the fact of how me DJ now. Because him he hear me on a show at James Bond Beach, and me a
Yeah.
DJ playing and him I say, yo, when we come off on stage, him see me and I say, Virgin, how you DJ the song? So me I said, Just some energy, the man said, nah man, you don't need no energy for that song, brother. You want bus place? DJ the song same way with sound on the record. That's something you want to hear. Man said, so people want to hear it too. So DJ same way.
Yeah.
Man said, don't worry about it. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 round. That 3 man there to kind of take off the effect, the high part of the song when your boy them come in and I said, man said, there's a jumping one. The man said, you just keep calm and I don't beat you. The first time I tried that, when we see the forward here, I'm like, you understand? So me tell him enough time, say, yo, you, I'm a boss, man. No reason nobody want to say.
Yeah.
You can't get me to this like you. You do what you do neatly.
Yeah.
Where if you don't address it, nobody now really know. Because you know sometimes some people do some things here where you don't even realize you're not penetrated with it.
That's true.
See? And then now when it will actually come vice from Bellions, which is another strength for Queen, Cape Town, everything have a little chain reaction in it.
Crazy.
And yo, up to today, you having time where you with us. You linking, and you will go there and chat you out, and then you have next time, you just see your phone, and you just see blue link and say, yo, DJ want to forward. They make a couple reading things, he have something in my life, and he want hardcore dance already. Like the first time I get that car was to make artist man alive.
You built that reading?
Yeah. Me met the drums and we played the drums and this youth named Rick Rock. He played the fruit and the bass. Yeah, man. Like we did it and pick the sound them and the groove or whatever it's like I think we make about 2 other reading, but we need our next we make another wicked one feel after this man alive. And then we find a wicked tune. But the place we flood out one night and mash up the hard drive. Yeah, so
and that's where that went downhill.
Yeah. But after that, make me a couple more time. Right now I work on my album I work on.
Yeah.
And we send some track to him. So there was a song for that too, but now I tell you now you're
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.